Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for your overall well-being, your liver health. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, playing a vital role in detoxification, metabolism, and more. To support this powerhouse of an organ, it's essential to understand how the foods you eat can either help or harm your liver. That's why in today's video, we'll be exploring the 10 best foods that can promote liver health, from delicious fruits to wholesome nuts that are not only tasty but also packed with nutrients your liver loves. But before we jump into that list, let's consider why this matters. You might be wondering, why should I care about what foods are good for my liver? Well, if you've ever felt fatigued, experienced unexplained weight gain, or struggled with a bloated feeling after meals, these could be signs that your liver isn't performing at its best. Often, these symptoms stem from poor diet, lack of exercise, or exposure to toxins, factors that contribute to conditions like fatty liver disease. However, the good news is that you can take action to protect your liver. By becoming aware of these issues and making informed food choices, you can prevent liver problems before they start. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, and it's never too late to start making healthier choices. So, stay tuned as we guide you through the top 10 foods that can help keep your liver in tip-top shape. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the delicious and nutritious blueberries. These small berries are bursting with flavor and beneficial properties for your liver. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. These antioxidants help protect the liver from damage and reduce inflammation. Moreover, studies have suggested that the nutrients in blueberries can slow the progression of liver diseases and improve liver function. But the health benefits of blueberries extend beyond just the liver. They're also associated with heart health, thanks to their ability to lower blood pressure and reduce bad LDL cholesterol. They've been linked to improved brain health and memory too, and their high fiber content can aid in digestion and blood sugar control. As for daily consumption, a typical recommendation is to aim for a cup of blueberries per day. They can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or dried, and are a tasty addition to smoothies, salads, or your morning bowl of oatmeal. So, whether you're snacking on them straight from the bush or adding them to your favorite recipes, blueberries are a sweet and simple way to boost your liver health and overall well-being. Coming in at number 9 on our list, we have a leafy green that's famous for its health benefits, spinach. This nutrient-dense superfood is an excellent choice for those looking to support their liver health. Spinach can contribute to liver health in several ways. It's packed with a variety of antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, which can help protect the liver from damage and inflammation. In addition, spinach is high in betaine, a compound that helps promote liver function and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Beyond its benefits for the liver, spinach offers a host of other health advantages. It's an excellent source of vitamin K, which is vital for bone health, and is rich in iron, a nutrient that supports healthy blood cells. Plus, the high fiber content in spinach can aid in digestion and help control blood sugar levels. As for how much spinach you should consume daily, a common recommendation is at least a cup of cooked spinach or 2 cups of raw spinach most days of the week. You can enjoy it in salads, soups, smoothies, or as a side dish. So, whether you're following in the footsteps of Popeye or just looking for a nutrient-rich addition to your meals, spinach is a versatile food that can do wonders for your liver and overall health. At number 8 on our list, we have a cruciferous vegetable known for its distinctive taste and numerous health benefits, broccoli. This green veggie isn't just a side dish, it's a powerful ally for your liver's health. broccoli is believed to be beneficial for liver health due to its high content of glucosinolates, compounds that help the liver produce enzymes to aid in the removal of toxins and reduce inflammation. Additionally, some studies have suggested that regular consumption of broccoli can help prevent the development of fatty liver. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamins C and K, folate, potassium, and fiber. These contribute to a range of health benefits, from boosting immunity and promoting healthy digestion to supporting heart health and reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. In terms of how much broccoli you should consume, a typical serving size is about 1 cup, and you can eat this a few times a week. Of course, this can vary depending on your overall diet and nutritional needs. So, whether you enjoy it steamed, roasted, or mixed into your favorite stir-fry, adding broccoli to your diet is a smart choice for your liver health and overall wellness. Sliding into the 7th spot on our list, we have tofu, a versatile plant-based protein that's a mainstay in many vegetarian and vegan diets and is highly beneficial for liver health. Tofu is high in protein and low in fat, making it an excellent food for managing weight and preventing the accumulation of fat in the liver. Moreover, tofu contains a component called saponin, which has been found to protect against oxidative stress in the liver and improve overall liver function. But the health benefits of tofu go beyond just the liver. It's a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for bone health. Tofu is also rich in isoflavones, plant compounds that have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and improved menopausal symptoms. Furthermore, it's an excellent source of iron and other minerals, like manganese, which are essential for numerous bodily functions. In terms of how much tofu you should consume, a typical serving is about 3 ounces, and it can be eaten a few times a week. This can be adjusted based on your dietary needs and overall protein consumption. So, whether you're grilling it, stir-frying it, or blending it into a smoothie, tofu is a nutritious and adaptable food that can support your liver health and overall wellness. At number 6 on our list, we have a brain-shaped nut that's excellent for your liver, walnuts. This nut is renowned for its unique nutrient profile, making it a great addition to a liver-friendly diet. Walnuts are rich in an amino acid called L-arginine and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which help detoxify the liver and reduce inflammation. In addition, they're loaded with glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids, which support the natural liver cleansing process. Research also suggests that consuming walnuts can help people with liver disease by improving liver function tests. But walnuts aren't just good for your liver. They're packed with powerful antioxidants, more than any other common nut, which help combat oxidative damage in your body. Walnuts are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been proven to improve heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of heart disease. When it comes to how much you should consume daily, a standard serving size is about 1 ounce, which is equivalent to approximately 14 walnut halves. This amount provides a solid dose of the health benefits without adding too many calories to your diet. So, whether you're tossing them in your salad, adding them to your oatmeal, or simply enjoying them as a snack, walnuts can play a vital role in supporting your liver and overall health. Lucky number 5 on our list is a versatile and nutrient-rich nut, almonds. These crunchy delights are more than just a tasty snack, they're a fantastic food for boosting liver health. Almonds are beneficial for the liver thanks to their high content of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant known to protect the liver from oxidative stress. In addition, almonds are rich in healthy fats and fiber, which can help control your appetite, manage weight, and subsequently reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Beyond their liver-protecting properties, almonds offer a range of other health benefits. They're a good source of protein, contributing to muscle health and satiety. Almonds also contain a significant amount of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and magnesium, which is known for its beneficial effects on blood pressure and blood sugar control. Plus, the high fiber content promotes gut health and aids in digestion. As for daily consumption, a common recommendation is a 1-ounce serving per day, which is about 23 almonds. This quantity ensures you reap the health benefits without adding too many calories to your diet. So, whether you're enjoying them as a midday snack, sprinkling them over your oatmeal, or incorporating them into your baked goods, almonds can be a delicious way to enhance both your liver health and overall well-being. At number 4 on our list, we have a small but mighty food, sardines. These tiny fish might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of healthy foods, but they pack a nutritional punch and have impressive benefits for liver health. Like salmon, sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help prevent fat buildup in the liver, reduce inflammation, and enhance liver enzyme levels. Moreover, sardines are an excellent source of vitamin B12, a nutrient that supports liver health by aiding in metabolizing fats and proteins. But sardines aren't just great for your liver, they're a powerhouse of nutrition, boasting benefits for heart health, bone health, and more. The omega-3s help reduce the risk of heart disease, while the high calcium and vitamin D content supports strong bones. Furthermore, sardines are a great source of protein, providing essential amino acids for muscle health and repair. As for how much to eat, nutritionists often recommend including at least 2 servings of oily fish like sardines in your diet each week. A single serving of sardines is about 1 can, or 3.75 ounces. So, whether you're adding them to salads, enjoying them on toast, or incorporating them into pasta dishes, sardines are a surprisingly beneficial addition to your diet, supporting not just your liver but your overall health as well. Our number 3 pick is a favorite among seafood lovers, salmon. This fish is known for its rich, distinct flavor and its plethora of health benefits, including promoting a healthier liver. Salmon's impact on liver health is primarily tied to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that helps reduce inflammation and prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Furthermore, research suggests that omega-3 fatty acids can help improve liver enzyme levels and reduce the symptoms of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The omega-3 fatty acids also contribute to heart health by reducing inflammation throughout the body and lowering blood pressure. They're beneficial for brain health too, potentially reducing the risk of mental decline with age. Plus, salmon is a great source of protein, which is crucial for muscle health and keeping you feeling satisfied between meals. As for how much salmon you should consume, the American Heart Association recommends eating 2 servings of fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, each week. A serving is typically around 3.5 ounces cooked, or about 3/4 of a cup of flaked fish. So, whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or in a salad, adding salmon to your diet is a tasty way to enhance your liver health and overall well-being. Just remember to choose wild-caught salmon whenever possible, as it often contains fewer contaminants than its farmed counterpart. Coming in at number 2, we have olive oil. Often considered the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest eating patterns globally, olive oil is a rich source of monounsaturated fats and provides numerous benefits for liver health. Now, how does olive oil help the liver? Research suggests that the healthy fats in olive oil can improve liver enzyme levels and insulin sensitivity. Olive oil can also prevent fat accumulation in the liver, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. Moreover, it aids in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are significant contributors to liver damage. Beyond its impact on liver health, olive oil offers a host of other health benefits. Its high antioxidants help protect your body from cellular damage. Regular consumption of olive oil can also promote heart health by lowering bad LDL cholesterol levels and raising good HDL cholesterol. Moreover, it can help reduce inflammation and even play a role in preventing certain cancers. In terms of how much olive oil to consume daily, a common recommendation is to aim for about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. This can be used for cooking or as a dressing for salads and vegetables. However, like all fats, olive oil is calorie-dense, so it's important to use it in moderation. So, whether you're sautéing your favorite veggies or drizzling it over a crisp salad, olive oil is a delicious and healthy addition to your diet, supporting not only your liver but your overall health as well. Last but not least, at number 1, we have a breakfast staple, oatmeal, packed with fibers, specifically a type called beta-glucans. Oatmeal is excellent for not just your overall health, but particularly for your liver. Now, you might be wondering, how can oatmeal help remove fat from my liver? It's pretty simple, actually. The high dietary fiber content in oatmeal helps maintain a healthy weight and reduce body fat. Overweight and obesity are primary factors leading to fatty liver disease. Therefore, consuming a diet rich in high-fiber foods like oatmeal can aid in weight loss and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. But the benefits of oatmeal don't stop at liver health. The beta-glucans present in oatmeal are also renowned for their ability to lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, improve insulin resistance, and enhance immune function. Additionally, the antioxidants in oats can provide heart health benefits and reduce blood pressure. As for how much oatmeal you should consume daily, nutritionists often recommend around half a cup of dry oats, which is equivalent to about 1 cup cooked. You can enjoy this with some fresh fruits or a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra health boost. However, remember that while oatmeal is healthy, it's essential to monitor portion sizes to maintain a balanced diet. So, next time you're contemplating breakfast options, remember the humble oatmeal. It's a hearty, nourishing choice that serves up a fantastic array of benefits for your liver and overall well-being. As we wrap up, I hope you found this guide to the 10 best foods for liver health both informative and inspiring. Remember, taking small steps to incorporate these foods into your diet can make a big difference in supporting your liver and overall well-being. And if you're new here, or haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future health tips and wellness guides. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to your health.